In this video, we'll see how to use the TI84 or 83 to convert 1 minute to radians to 3 significant digits. So the problem asks you to convert 1 minute to radians, and we know that we are given the DMS format degree, minute, and second, and now you want to convert this one back to radians. So how do I rewrite 1 minute in this DMS? Now 1 minute is a second digit, second value, so I'm putting 1 minute here because I don't have anything for degree or second. That means I have 0 for degree and I have 0 second as well. So this is the DMS format, and now I'm looking to write to convert this back to radians. So I'm using my TI84. The first thing is I am going to make sure my mode has the radians at a setting here, and then I'm going to input this value here. So 0 degree, so I go second angle to get my degree, and then 1 minute second angle, and then get my minute, which is the second option. And then for 0 second, I'm going to use a double prime notation right here for the second, and this one has the green color, so I'm going to use alpha and this to get me to the double prime. Now if you hit enter, you get this number right here. This is not in radian yet, this is in decimal degree. For some reason this is not in radians. In order for you to get to the radians, after you input this DMS value, you need to have another input, so second angle, and then make sure you put the degree, the first notations. So make sure you put the degree to the overall, to the whole expressions, so that it will convert this expression right here back to radians. And now you hit enter, and this is your radians, and the value should be 2.9088 times 10 to the minus 4, and because we are looking to get 3 significant digits, so I'm going to convert this one back to 0. To the decimal value, 0.00029. I'm looking for 3 significant digits, so I need one more, right? This is 1, 2, I need one more, and that should be 0. However, after the 0 is number 8, so I will need to round that to 1 because number 8 is bigger than 1. Sorry, bigger than 5, so I round 0 to 1, and this is 3 decimal places, 3 significant digits. 0.000291 is my answer, and that is right here.